So, very quick unboxing. This time it's for the SteelSeries Mouse Bungee. We'll just get it out of its box. It comes in a little bag. There's a seal there. I think there's a seal there. Oh no, it just comes open like that. Seal's on the side there, so you've got a seal there and there. So that's the seal's broken. It should lift off, and it does. That's the little hanging thing. Nothing else in the box. Is it pre-built, I wonder? It's quite cunning. It's in a little bag, so I'll just take it out of the bag. And there it is. I've just pulled that off. So that bit's back on. So that doesn't extend out. It just does that really. So you get your mouse and you feed your cable through, and that allows you to have the cable off the ground so that it doesn't snag. There's nothing there about extra weight and rubber feet for stability, eliminates cable drag for faster response, rubber grip to accommodate different cable sizes. Doesn't come with any instructions at all. I don't know if that... Oh, it does. Whee! That's not intuitive at all. So the first time I pulled that, it came off. So it's got like a weighted sort of thing. So that extends it out a little bit. So you can have the cable running up like that. It's quite pleasing. So yeah, that's the mouse bungee. Holds the cable off the ground, stops it dragging. That's it. I don't really get very much in the box. Obviously, any questions about it, put them in the comments, and thanks for watching.